If you've ever felt mentally drained, unfocused, forgetful, or foggy, you're not alone. Brain fog affects millions, especially in our always-on world, filled with stress, screens, and poor sleep. Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, we'll explore 10 powerful natural and herbal remedies that can help clear brain fog, improve memory, and restore focus safely and naturally. But first, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or herbal remedy, especially if you're on medication, pregnant, or have a health condition. Brain fog isn't just forgetfulness. It's a sign your brain is under stress from inflammation, lack of sleep, nutrient deficiencies, or adrenal fatigue. By addressing these root causes with herbs, adaptogens, and brain-nourishing nutrients, you can restore mental clarity and cognitive energy, the natural way. Let's dive into your top 10 natural brain boosters. Number 1. Sage, the clarity herb. Sage has been used since ancient Greece to enhance memory and concentration. Modern research shows it helps regulate acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter for learning and focus. Brew 1 teaspoon dried sage in a cup of hot water for 7 minutes. Sip before studying, meetings, or creative work. Pair it with rosemary for double the clarity effect. Number 2. Saffron, the mood and memory enhancer. This golden spice doesn't just uplift mood, it supports serotonin levels and neuroprotection. Studies show saffron can reduce mild depression and improve recall. Add 3 to 5 saffron threads to warm milk or herbal tea daily. Use consistently for at least 3 weeks. Saffron also supports restful sleep and emotional balance, perfect for students and busy parents alike. Number 3. Peppermint for instant mental refresh. When fatigue hits, peppermint delivers quick relief. Its menthol stimulates oxygen flow to the brain, increasing alertness and energy. Drink peppermint tea midday. Inhale peppermint essential oil for instant clarity. Try blending it with lemon for a hydrating, mental wake-up drink. Number 4. Ashwagandha, the stress shield. Ashwagandha is one of Ayurveda's most famous adaptogens, helping your body resist stress, lower cortisol, and support long-term brain health. Chronic stress and cortisol overload contribute to brain fog, and ashwagandha directly tackles both. Take 300 to 500 milligrams of root extract daily, standardized to 5% with analytes. Add it to warm milk or smoothies before bedtime for calm and recovery. Within weeks, many people report improved mood, focus, and sleep quality. Number 5. Panax Ginseng, the energy and focus booster. Panax Ginseng is an ancient Asian tonic known for enhancing focus, stamina, and mental performance. Clinical studies confirm that it supports mental processing speed and reduces fatigue. Take 200 to 400 milligrams standardized extract in the morning with food. Combine with ginkgo biloba for enhanced memory circulation. Avoid taking ginseng late in the day, it may interfere with sleep in sensitive individuals. Number 6. L-Theanine plus caffeine, the perfect focus pair. We all know caffeine wakes you up, but when combined with L-Theanine, the amino acid found in green tea, it creates calm alertness. This duo improves reaction time, focus, and sustained attention, without the jitters or crash of coffee alone. Drink matcha tea or green tea as both contain this natural combo. For supplements, 100 mg L-Theanine plus 50 mg caffeine is ideal for smooth mental focus. This is perfect before studying, long drives, or creative sessions. Number 7. Omega-3 fatty acids, the perfect brain fuel. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and omega-3s are crucial for its structure and signaling. The EPA and DHA, found in flaxseed, chia, walnuts, and algae oil, help improve memory, reduce inflammation, and even stabilize mood. Add 1 tablespoon flax or chia seeds to daily smoothies. Take 1 to 2 grams algae or fish oil supplement daily for DHA and EPA. Omega-3 fatty acids is especially vital for kids, teens, and older adults. Number 8. Phosphatidylserine, the memory molecule. This natural compound found in soy and sunflower lecithin helps brain cells communicate efficiently. Studies show phosphatidylserine supplementation supports attention, learning, and memory recall, especially under stress or fatigue. Use 100 milligrams 2 to 3 times a day with meals. Combine this with omega-3 for optimal results. This is safe for long-term use and excellent for ADHD-type attention difficulties. Number 9. Holy Basil, the calming focus herb. Holy Basil, also known as Tulsi, balances stress hormones while keeping the mind alert. Its adaptogenic nature enhances cognitive performance and emotional stability. Brew Tulsi tea daily in the morning or evening. For a calming blend, combine Tulsi with peppermint and lemon balm. This is perfect for children and adults dealing with overstimulation or mild anxiety. Number 10. Rosemary, the memory activator. A study published in Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology found that even inhaling rosemary aroma improved memory and alertness. Its carnosic acid protects brain cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in cognitive decline. Brew rosemary tea or diffuse rosemary essential oil while studying. Add fresh rosemary to meals for daily neuroprotection. Your mind is your greatest tool, nurture it naturally. The brain cannot focus when it's dehydrated or sleep deprived. Make sure you get 7 to 9 hours of rest, drink enough water, and eat whole foods rich in B vitamins. These are the natural cofactors that keep your brain's energy pathways running. So there you have it, 10 of nature's best brain-boosting remedies to clear mental fog, enhance focus, and keep your energy steady all day long. Please like, share, and subscribe for weekly guides on herbs, natural healing, and holistic wellness. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, herb, or major lifestyle change, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication.